Welcome to this deep dive into one of the most transformative fields in modern technology, predictive analytics. In an increasingly data-driven world, merely understanding what has happened in the past is no longer sufficient. Businesses, researchers, and governments alike are constantly striving to anticipate future events, understand potential outcomes, and make proactive decisions. This is precisely where predictive analytics steps in. At its core, predictive analytics is a sophisticated branch of advanced analytics that leverages historical data, statistical algorithms, and machine learning techniques to identify the likelihood of future outcomes based on patterns and trends. It's not about guessing, it's about making educated, data-driven forecasts. By understanding these future possibilities, organizations can significantly improve their strategic planning, optimize operations, and mitigate risks, ultimately gaining a crucial competitive edge in their respective domains. It truly represents a paradigm shift from reactive decision-making to a proactive, forward-looking approach. To truly appreciate predictive analytics, it's essential to understand how it differs from other forms of data analysis. Think of analytics as a spectrum. On one end, we have descriptive analytics, which answers the question, what happened? This involves summarizing past data, like sales reports from the last quarter or website traffic from the previous month. It provides insights into historical events, giving us a clear picture of past performance. Moving along the spectrum, we encounter diagnostic analytics, which delves deeper to answer, why did it happen? This involves techniques like drilling down into data, data discovery, and data mining to identify the root causes behind past events. For instance, if sales dropped, diagnostic analytics would help pinpoint whether it was due to a marketing campaign failure or a competitor's new product. However, predictive analytics takes us into the future, asking what will happen. It utilizes the insights from both descriptive and diagnostic analyses, along with advanced modeling, to forecast future events or behaviors. It's the difference between knowing it rained yesterday, descriptive, understanding why it rained, diagnostic, and predicting with a high degree of certainty that it will rain tomorrow, predictive. The bedrock of any successful predictive analytics initiative is robust, high-quality data. Without a solid data foundation, even the most sophisticated algorithms will yield unreliable results. The first critical step involves comprehensive data collection. This means gathering relevant historical data from various sources, which could range from internal databases like customer transaction records, sales figures, and website logs, to external datasets such as market trends, demographic information, and social media activity. Once collected, this raw data is often messy and inconsistent, necessitating data cleaning. This vital process addresses missing values, corrects errors, removes duplicates, and standardizes formats to ensure data accuracy and integrity. Think of it as refining crude oil before it can be used effectively. Following cleaning, data transformation takes place. Here, raw data is converted into a suitable format for modeling. This might involve aggregating data, creating new features from existing ones, a process known as feature engineering, or normalizing values to ensure all features contribute fairly to the model without disproportionate influence from outliers. This meticulous preparation ensures the data is not only accurate but also optimally structured for the predictive models to extract meaningful insights. With clean, transformed data ready, the next step in predictive analytics involves selecting and applying appropriate algorithms. This is where the magic of machine learning truly shines. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables systems to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. At its heart, predictive analytics employs various machine learning algorithms to build models that can forecast outcomes. Common types include regression algorithms used for predicting continuous numerical values, such as future sales figures, stock prices, or temperature. If you want to predict how much or how many, regression is your go-to. Then there are classification algorithms, which are designed to predict categorical outcomes, like whether a customer will churn, if an email is spam, or if a transaction is fraudulent. Here, the question is which category? Additionally, clustering algorithms group similar data points together without prior knowledge of the groups, useful for customer segmentation or anomaly detection. The process involves model training, where the algorithm learns from a subset of the prepared data, identifying relationships and patterns. Crucially, this is followed by validation, where the trained model is tested on unseen data to assess its accuracy and performance, ensuring it can generalize well to new, real-world scenarios. Understanding the components that fuel these predictive models is crucial. Every predictive model operates on two primary types of variables: input variables, often referred to as features, and a target variable. Input variables are the independent pieces of information that the model uses to make its predictions. These are the characteristics or attributes of the data that are observed and collected. For example, if we're predicting house prices, features might include the square footage, number of bedrooms, location, year built, and recent sales in the neighborhood. These are the clues the model analyzes. The target variable, on the other hand, is the dependent variable that the model aims to predict. It's the outcome or event that we are interested in forecasting. In our house price example, the target variable would simply be the house price itself. The process of intelligently selecting, transforming, and creating new features from raw data is called feature engineering. This is more art than science, requiring deep domain knowledge and creativity. High-quality feature engineering can significantly improve a model's performance, as it ensures the model has the most relevant and informative variables to learn from, ultimately leading to more accurate and reliable predictions. The versatility of predictive analytics means its applications span virtually every industry, fundamentally transforming how organizations operate and strategize. In the finance sector, it's a critical tool for fraud detection, identifying suspicious transactions in real time, and for credit scoring, assessing the likelihood of loan defaults. Furthermore, it aids in predicting stock market movements and optimizing investment portfolios. For retail, predictive analytics is indispensable for demand forecasting, ensuring optimal inventory levels to prevent stockouts or overstock, and for personalizing customer experiences through targeted recommendations, leading to increased sales and customer loyalty. In healthcare, it's revolutionizing patient care by predicting patient risk for certain diseases, identifying potential outbreaks, and optimizing resource allocation, such as hospital bed management. Imagine predicting a patient's likelihood of readmission, allowing for proactive interventions. The manufacturing industry leverages it for predictive maintenance, anticipating equipment failures before they occur, thus reducing costly downtime and extending asset lifespan. This proactive approach saves significant operational costs and improves overall efficiency. These examples underscore how predictive analytics moves beyond theory, delivering tangible value and enabling smarter, more efficient operations across diverse domains. The adoption of predictive analytics offers a multitude of compelling benefits that extend far beyond mere forecasting. Firstly, it empowers organizations with significantly improved decision-making. By providing foresight into future trends and outcomes, leaders can make more informed, data-backed strategic choices rather than relying on intuition or past data alone. This translates into smarter business strategies and more effective operational plans. Secondly, it is a powerful tool for risk mitigation. Identifying potential threats like fraud, equipment failures, or customer churn before they materialize allows businesses to implement preventative measures, saving substantial resources and protecting the reputation. Think of it as having an early warning system. Thirdly, predictive analytics drives substantial operational efficiency. By optimizing processes such as inventory management, resource allocation, and workforce scheduling, businesses can streamline their operations, reduce waste, and improve productivity. For example, accurate demand forecasting means less perishable inventory spoilage and optimized staffing. Finally, and perhaps most crucially in today's competitive landscape, it provides a distinct competitive advantage. Companies that effectively leverage predictive insights can anticipate market shifts, personalize customer experiences more effectively, develop innovative products, and outmaneuver competitors, positioning themselves as industry leaders. This translates directly into increased profitability and market share. While the benefits of predictive analytics are immense, it's crucial to acknowledge and address the inherent challenges and ethical considerations to ensure its responsible and effective deployment. One of the most significant hurdles is data quality. Predictive models are only as good as the data they are fed. Inaccurate, incomplete, or biased data will inevitably lead to flawed predictions, sometimes referred to as garbage in, garbage out. Ensuring data integrity and cleanliness is an ongoing effort. Another challenge is model interpretability. Many advanced machine learning models, particularly deep learning networks, can operate as black boxes, making it difficult to understand why they arrive at a particular prediction. This lack of transparency can hinder trust and make it challenging to debug or explain decisions, especially in critical applications like healthcare or finance. This leads directly to crucial ethical concerns, particularly regarding bias. If the historical data used to train a model reflects societal biases, for example, racial or gender bias in lending or hiring decisions, the model will learn and perpetuate these biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Ensuring fairness and accountability is paramount. Finally, predictive models are not set-it-and-forget-it solutions. They require continuous monitoring. As real-world conditions change, models can drift and become less accurate, necessitating retraining and recalibration to maintain their predictive power over time. Addressing these challenges is vital for building trustworthy and effective predictive systems. The journey of predictive analytics is far from over. In fact, it's constantly evolving, driven by advancements in computing power and data science. The future promises even more sophisticated and integrated systems. We are already seeing deeper AI/ML integration, with predictive models becoming increasingly embedded within broader artificial intelligence ecosystems, leading to more autonomous and intelligent decision-making systems. Expect to see these models working in tandem with generative AI and reinforcement learning, creating truly adaptive systems. Another key trend is the move towards real-time predictions. As data streams become faster and more abundant, the ability to make predictions instantaneously, often within milliseconds, will become standard. This is critical for applications like fraud detection, dynamic pricing, and immediate customer recommendations. The black box problem we discussed is being addressed by the rise of explainable AI, XAI, which focuses on developing models that are transparent and interpretable, allowing users to understand the rationale behind a prediction. This is essential for building trust and ensuring accountability, especially in regulated industries. Finally, a strong emphasis on ethical frameworks will continue to shape the development and deployment of predictive systems, ensuring fairness, privacy, and accountability are built in from the ground up, not as afterthoughts. Predictive analytics is not just a tool, it's a foundational technology that will continue to reshape industries, improve lives, and unlock unparalleled opportunities for innovation. Embracing these advancements responsibly will be key to harnessing its full potential.